Today I'm going to show you how to remove this big ugly looking windshield sticker in one very simple and effective way. All that we need for this procedure is one simple hairdryer and set of razor blade. Let's get down to the process. Now the most important step in this removal process is to heat up this sticker with this hairdryer as much as possible. We will use the sharp edge of razor blade on this sticker edge just to get a starting point for peeling off this sticker. Once we have that edge a little bit peeled off using a razor blade, it will be much easier to remove the whole sticker just using your fingers and the heat from the hairdryer. As you can see, in my case for this sticker there was some numbers here on the sticker and some stamp, and there is a lot of leftovers here on the windshield, but for that we have one special trick. This is just a normal acetone. It can be used as a nail polish remover, but it is a little bit stronger, and we will use just one rag. Just put a fine amount of this acetone on your cloth and start rubbing off this glue residue. As you can see, the glue residue is falling off pretty easily. This acetone has a lot of chemical components which are perfect for glue residue removal. In just a matter of seconds, you will remove all that glue residue from that old sticker. And as you can see right here, this is the new state. We have that big old ugly ass sticker right there, but now everything is clean and brand new. That's it, guys. You needed a little bit of hairdryer, a little bit of razor blades and a little bit of acetone to remove that ugly looking green thing from your windshield. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.